Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Chevy Suburban LT. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 5.3 V8 pushing out 355 horsepower and 383 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, running boards, 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black leather interior, sunroof, captain's chair in the rear, third row seating, LT badging. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, coming alongside. In the rear we've got rear climate controls, Bose sound system, power windows, memory seats, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Just go ahead and start it up. A touchscreen media display. A rear view backup camera, hard keys for media display, dual climate controls, heated seats, cup holders. This Suburban has 58,533 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Chevy Suburban LT, check out feldmannimports.com.